Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has firmly clarified that the DMK-Congress alliance is strong and stable, putting an end to rumors of any rift between the two parties. Speaking in Chennai on Wednesday, Stalin said there is no confusion or disagreement within the alliance and there will be no breakup as speculated by some political circles. He made it clear that the partnership between DMK and Congress continues in full understanding and coordination. Addressing discussions around power sharing, the Chief Minister clearly stated that Tamil Nadu's political culture does not support the idea of sharing power in government and that the Congress party is fully aware of this long-standing tradition. With this statement, Stalin firmly ruled out the possibility of a coalition government in the state. Expressing confidence ahead of the upcoming elections, Stalin said the next polls will not be more challenging than the 2021 assembly elections and assured that the DMK remains well positioned for another victory. He also highlighted the success of state welfare initiatives, noting that several Tamil Nadu government schemes are now being followed by the central government. One key example he mentioned was the Tori Hostels scheme. The Tori scheme supports working women who migrate from their hometowns to cities for jobs, managed by the Department of Social Welfare and Women Development. The hostels provide safe, affordable and quality accommodation for women across the state, helping them live and work with dignity and security. With this clear message, Stalin has reaffirmed political stability in Tamil Nadu, alliance, unity and the state's continued focus on welfare-driven governance.